Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is an English reader. Reader name is Umer wants to help. This is a scarlet parrot. It has many colors. This is sky. Its color is blue. These are clouds. This is a tree. Its colors are green and brown. These are two sunflowers. This is grass. This is fence. Its color is grey. This is pool. This is Umer. Umer's dress color is red and blue. This is Nomi. His dress color is yellow and blue. Umer is giving his toy to Nomi because Umer loves to help.